でみんなに告知してるから、ちょっと外に行って入ったりとかしてる。クリックして人入ってきた。10人ぐらい入ったら始めようかな。お店の名前入れて。Okay, let's go. So when I'm talking, you have to shoot me. Hi everyone. So I'm in a knife shop, as I noticed. So I wanna get you. I wanna introduce a little bit about fundamental Japanese kinds of knife. Okay. So here you can shoot this. So the basic knife you wanna get first is santoku knife, all-purpose knife. You can use it for meat and vegetables and all that. And material-wise, one kind is stainless steel, and another one is carbon steel. Okay, carbon steel will rust. So, but it's the sharpest material you can use, perfect for sashimi, sushi chef. They will all use that. But it will rust. So just remember, you have to, dry it as soon as you use this. This is all santoku knife, all right? And these squares are vegetable knife. This is beautiful vegetable knives. You can chop up cabbage and all that. And if you go over here, so these are for like a meat, okay? All this meat kinds, it's much bigger, and we can move over here. We can go to sashimi. これはお刺身は、どんなものっていうか、なんでサイズが違うわけ？
これはやっぱりお家だとあんまり大きいのも使えないですし、場所も必要なので、お家だとこういうちっちゃいので、でただやっぱり長さは1回でお刺身でこう切りたいので、長さは必要になりますね。でプロの方だと大きな柵を切ったりとかするので、やっぱりこの長さが必要。
なるほどね。はい。でこれはもう全部あれなんだよね、素材は。ステンレス、鋼しかないでしょ。
いや、ステンレスもあります。はい、最近はステンレス、やっぱり錆に強いタイプもあるので。
そうだね。これ全部お刺身でしょ。
刺身です。
So this is all sashimi. This is all sashimi. So the size are different because of the professional chefs are slicing big chunk of tuna, for instance. But if I'm slicing like a little small, cut of sashimi from supermarket, I will use just a little small ones, something like this. ね。And also, Japanese knives are depending on your left-handed or right-handed. The blades are cut it by depending on your hand. So I'm a right-handed, so I will buy this. The blade is sharpened for right side. So this, これは出刃ですよね。
はい。
これはもうお魚をおろす感じ。はい。So these upper knives, this is for boning big fish. So this is much thicker, and you can just depending on the size of fish you're doing. So big one you can use it like a tuna and all this. Like a small ones you can use like a little sardines or post mackerels and things. これも全部お刺身だよね。はい。あとはなんか面白い個性的なのある。イカとかなんか例えばアナゴとか。うなぎ。
ここうなぎです。
はいはいはい。So this is for slicing eels. Okay, this is for eels only. I'm not sure if you're gonna use this because I've never done this before because I always eat unagi outside. But this is for eels. So depending on what you are chopping, what are you doing? So there is no best knife you have to look for what are you cooking, what are you slicing. But my best recommendation is you really have to get all-purpose knife first. I mean, you use for vegetables and that, and then if you're moving on to more cooking different things, you can go. I love vegetable knife. I love this. I chop it up for my vegetables, and then if you like sashimi, you want to get that, but not too big, you know, not too gigantic, like a small one, because you're using it for family, right? Okay, and also budget. The budget of knife you want to spend is at least around 100 US dollars. That's the least you want to spend. You can go cheaper if you want to, but I think that's going to be too cheap. So the cheapest is going to be 10,000 yen, which is around $100, but you can go unlimited if you want to spend more. All right, anybody asking anything? You can ask me anything. All right, so we are in KAPPABASHI. This shop is called Tsubaya-san. This is what I like to come over here, and I will be in touch later. Maybe I'll do a cooking live. This is we are in Japan is in holiday now, so I can do maybe a cooking live later. Thank you so much. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Bye guys. See you later in my studio. Thanks.